Welcome for the online class through JCE Connect. We'll continue from the previous class. Here we discuss on how the image formation. Okay. Before we go into detail about this, how the visibility of the object by human eyes. There's a common question. There's a simple one is that when the object is illuminated by the light source, and the light source, when it incident on the object, it will reflect from the object, and the reflected rays is perceived by the human eyes and it will recognize as an object. For example, let us see that there is a book. How we can see the book, or means how our eyes can see it is a book, means the light will be illuminated on the object, and it will reflect, and the reflected rays are caught by eyes and the image will be formed, means internally in our brain there is an image will be formed that it is a book, means we can see it is a book. Now what is important here is a light source, means light will be illuminated. Similarly, this will be happening in the daylight. For example, in the night, if there is a dark or there is no light, if you consider, or if you go in a dark room, if there is no illumination or a light source, you can't see the object. Why? Because there is no source of light and eye will be zero. When the eye is zero, means it is not falling on the object, and the object is also not reflecting any source of light, since our eyes cannot see the object. So it is we can't see any of the existence of the object, means visibility will be zero. Similarly, in a dark room, if I just lit up a small kind of a candle, if the candle is also source of light, but what is how much energy it will emit? Very low low intensity light will be emitted, means those kind of illuminated light, when it falls on an object, and it will be reflected, so that we may feel that there is an object. It may be book or it may be table or something like, but it is not so clear, means image is not clearly formed in our brain. This is what the human tendency, how we can see, the common way we can consider is a big source of light is nothing but our sun. He emits such a huge energy of a light source, so that we can see the objects. By keeping into this just a simple practical phenomena, this will be taken into image processing. I hope this diagram you can correlate and you can try to understand. Now just by looking into the previous example what I have given, now I hope you can see the source of light. This is a source of a light. This is a source of a light. Let us say I say this is an eye. Means illuminated. Energy is illuminated. Now when the source of light, now consider this is your object. It may be any object. It may be like a book, or it may be like a table, it may be like a chair or anything. Now the light source I is incident on the object. Right? I hope you understood. It is incident on the object. When it is incident on the object, now the object will reflect the energy source. Which source? Light source. Because what is illuminated? There is a light source is illuminated. On where? On the image. And what is reflected? Again the light is reflected, means energy is in the form of a light. It is reflected. So I consider R. I hope you understood. Now that's means incident is light source, reflected is also light source. Means now what is the energy? Light energy. Okay, I hope you can see this is a sensor. This is a sensor in which it converts light energy into electrical energy. Means light source is converted into electrical energy. Okay, now I got the electrical energy. This electrical energy is in a screen. Okay, just I'll take back in the practical what I given, which is a catching a screen here for the previous object recognition is human eye, but there is no human eye, it is nothing but a screen. Means in the screen there is a sensor is installed. This sensor will perceive the light energy and it will convert into electrical energy. I hope you understand. Means now whatever the converted energy, it will be getting formed onto the screen. Okay, I hope you can see there is a screen. Okay, means the light source is converted into electrical source and it will be formed on a screen, because on the screen small kind of LED will be installed. Okay, it may be charge coupled devices or it may be any kind of sensors, LED, LCD, plasma. Okay, those are installed so that they convert light energy into electrical energy. When it is converted, it is an energy. Okay, that energy contains a physical object. What is a physical object? Is nothing but your scene. Means I say image, and that image is getting forward on a screen. Okay, when it is formed on a screen, okay, like this. Okay, now when the process is considered, okay, amount of light energy and reflected energy. Okay, now just a general question, if I ask you, why can't we see the glass? Okay, if you brought the glass, because why? Because when the light is incident, it will pass. There is no reflection. When there is no reflection, means we can't see there is a glass. This is simple phenomenon. It exists with everyone. Okay. Now similarly, this is object is formed on a screen. I hope you can see this is nothing but your screen. Okay, this is a screen in which I hope you can see square boxes will be visible onto the screen. Okay, I hope I am just resting onto the square boxes. I'll come in detail about what you mean, what is the exactly meaning of the square box. Okay, means image is formed on a screen now. Okay, this is how the simple technique is used in formation of the image. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, now there are the two components to be required to form an image. One is source of light, okay, and one more is that the whatever the reflected energy that will be converted into electrical energy. Okay, that is a R, means I illumination, R reflection. Okay, this point will be clear for you. Okay, now I hope you can see there is a point whatever the screen I have given. Okay, now I'll just draw for you how the screen will be appear. Okay, like this. This is a screen. Okay, now this is a square box. Okay, this is a screen. You can see there is a screen of a television or screen of a computer or a screen of your mobile phone or something like this. Okay, now when the screen is formed, okay, it will be represented into x-axis and y-axis, right? Because it is a screen. Okay, now this one I say x-axis, this will be y-axis, right? I hope you understood. Okay, now what I have shown in the previously, there is a small square box like this. Okay, just I am drawing a bigger for you to know. Okay, now this is a small. Okay, now it is quite a big here, but it is a very minute with respect to the screen. Okay, now I hope you can see Now image is formed on a screen. This is a, I hope this is a very much clear for you. X-axis is vertical, y-axis is horizontal. Okay. Now this is whatever the square one I have shown. Okay. It is a one tiny module or a one tiny element. We call it as a pixel. Okay. There is a pixel in the sense, or you may consider in a simple word, I can say there is a LED will be appear in which, what is the job of LED? Whatever input it is coming, okay, that is a light source, it will be converted into electrical energy. That electrical energy in the form of like information. That information itself is nothing but an image. Okay. Now imagine that I have an object here. I have object. Okay. Now where are the object? Okay. Now object is in this point. Object is here, 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 and here, and here. There is no object, means there is a full dark, means this is not excited. This pixel or this light, this kind of sensor is not excited. I hope this point will be clear. Okay. Means we call this is a square box is nothing but a one element. Okay. Pel, both will be same, element, pel, or a pixel. Okay. Now I hope you can see there is like a x-axis and y-axis. For randomly I have drawn for you how many number of rows are there and how many number of columns are there. Okay. Now there is a I hope there is a 5 rows. Okay. There is a 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and how many number of columns? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns, 5 by 4. Okay. Means 5 rows, 4 columns. Is the point clear? Okay. Means x-axis, y-axis. Okay. Now you may call it, now if I say 5 by 4, it will come up as like a mathematical, one of the like a mathematical expression that is nothing but a matrix. Okay. I say matrix here. Okay. When I say the matrix, okay, now what is the coordinate of the first one? If I say you have to always start from 0, 0, you should not be like this is start from 0, 0, means 0th row, 0th column. What will be the next one? 0th row, first column. I say 0th row, 0th column. Okay, this is the first column, second column, third column, 0th column, 0th row, first row, second row, third row, and fourth row. Means how many number of rows are there? 5 rows, 4 columns. What will be the what is the coordinate of this one? Okay, I say coordinate now in a mathematically. Now I am not going to be come in the like any object here. I have to say mathematically. Okay, when it will go to the adjacent, what will be that? 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. It is a position. When I go to the next row, okay, what is the next row component here? 1, 0 means what? First row, 0th column. First row, first column. First row, second column. First 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 0, 3, 1, like this. Okay, 2, 0, if I say it is a one just a point, means 2, 0 means what? Is the second row of the screen, and which column? 0th column. Okay, means 2 x-axis, 0 y-axis. Simple as that. Okay. Now this point will be clear. Now just I hope you can guess out. Now where is your image now? In which position? I don't say pixel or something. Which positions it is there? It is here. Okay. According to you, the image is at which position? 1, 1. And image is yet here. What is that? 1, 2. Okay, means, and one more is that here. And for your consideration, I'll take here. Where is that? 2, 1. Where is that? 2, 2. 2, 2. And one more is that? 2, okay. There is a 3, 1, 3, 2. 3, 1 and 3, 2. Alright? This is means your image exists only at a particular coordinate. Which are the coordinate? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. This one means my image is represented in coordinate system. That coordinate system I call it as a spatial domain. I hope you understood the word spatial domain. Means image is now represented in spatial domain, or we call as a coordinate system. Okay, now if the image is represented in coordinate, for your understanding, okay, image will be represented in coordinate or it will be represented in frequency. We call it a frequency domain. Okay, further we'll come okay about the frequency, but to understand, okay, it is a spatial domain. Okay, because we need to be study both in the spatial domain as well as frequency domain. Okay, spatial domain is the point clear for you to understand. Okay, now this is what how the definition I can formulate for you. Okay, now what is digital image processing? Okay, now digital image, a two-dimensional function. Okay, now the point will be clear for you. It is a two-dimensional function because I represented image in the form of like a two-dimensional function. That is, the two dimensions x-axis and y-axis. And when I say the x-axis and y-axis, okay, now where the image will be now? Image will be getting, okay, appeared only at a selected place. That selected place is having an energy. That energy we call it as an intensity, or we call it as a gray level, right? In the previous slide, there is a few pixels occupied a energy source. That energy source is nothing but a electrical energy. That electrical energy, I say intensity, means object is wherever the object is there, then there only the pixels will be on or off, or having a certain kind of energy source. That energy source we call it an intensity or a gray level. And where the intensity or a gray level, in previously I shown here 1, 1, 1, 2, randomly I shown for you. Okay, wherever it is occurred, that coordinate x-axis and y-axis has given a certain value. That value we call it as a f, that is a amplitude, f, intensity. Okay, means if there is no any object, okay, I hope you can see in a screen. Okay, if I hold a bottle, okay, water bottle, okay, water bottle cannot be covered with a full screen. It will be covered only at the corresponding pixel. Okay, majority on the like top left, top right, or bottom left or bottom right, you may see there is a black in the sense there is no information. If there is no information, means there is no pixels will be occupied any kind of energy source, so it will be black. Okay, means intensity is 0 there. Wherever the image is appeared on a screen, the intensity having some value, that value will be, okay, depends on the conversion factor. Conversion factor is nothing but from light to electrical energy. Okay, this is how the digital image, means image is represented in the form of like a digital format. Digital format, I say f of xy. I'll come to this one. Okay, means it may be like a low, mid, or I'll discuss about this one, how it will be low, mid, and all this. Okay, now low in the sense we say dark. Okay, mid will be like just above the dark and below the bright. Okay, means certain, say if I say dark is a black, bright is a white, that's it. Okay, means in between this is a mid level. Okay, now it is a pixel. Okay, that is what the point I had discussed here. Pixel, the elements of a digital image. Okay, means I hope the point will be clear. The pixel means the occupancy of a image on a screen, that is called a pixel. Okay, now previously how many number of pixels I have shown, how many number of rows I have shown? 5 rows and the 4 columns, means total how many in a screen, how many pixels can be possible? 5 into 4, 20 pixels are possible. Now randomly if I ask you, randomly if I shown you with like 20 by 20, okay, I hope this kind of multiplication you might have seen on the screen. Resolution, you say resolution. 20 by 20 means how many number of rows are there? 20 rows and 20 columns. Means total how many number of pixels are there? 20 by 20, 400 pixels will be there. total. Okay, this is how the pixel concept will be given. Okay, now let us move on to the next slide, in which image denoted by two-dimensional function. That is what I have given. Fxy means xy is a coordinate at which f is nothing but an intensity, right? How much intensity? It will be decided by the object. Appearance, if the object is there, object, then the intensity. If no object, intensity is 0. Okay, means f of xy. It is a positive scalar quantity. Okay, that is what, like, you can't go with like okay, means how much energy is reflected. Okay, having certain kind of like a positive energy. That is what we can see. Okay, that is what f of xy must be non-zero, characterized by two components. Okay, that is what this energy, that is a formation of energy image, what I have shown previously, that will be represented by f of xy. Now look at this the very much clear concept. My image, okay, that is a physical image, now it is converted into mathematical formula f of xy. That's it. Means existence of f of xy, okay, means I have represented my image like this, f of xy, means earlier it was some kind of like energy image, now it is represented by f of xy. Means what? At coordinate x, coordinate y, I have some intensity. What is the intensity? Intensity f. Okay, simple as that. Okay, now this f of xy having a two components. One is amount of illumination, amount of reflection. Okay, means f of xy has a limit boundary between 0 to infinity. Maximum amount of reflection is there, means better the quality of the image on the screen. If there is like a reflection is very less, then you may not form a clear image on a screen, because energy what it is absorbed by object, if it is not reflected, means you cannot get a maximum energy on a screen and the image is not formed clearly. It is simple as that. Okay, I hope you might be using it with like your mobile phone camera also. Similarly, you hold it and the flash. When the flash is nothing but when the light source falls on an object, it will reflect and immediately your camera will catch up, and whatever the caught energy, it will be formed like an image in your memory. That memory is nothing but here, okay, kind of like a storage device, but the storage device here with respect to our screen is nothing but a monitor. Okay, that is what f of xy is represented by. F of xy is equal to I of xy into R of xy. Okay, if I say I of xy means if I consider illumination at a particular coordinate, okay, let us take that if there is like a 100% illumination, 100% illumination means maximum energy is incident at a particular coordinate xy of an object, means same amount of energy has to be getting reflected, then only the clear the image. If it is not reflected 100%, let us say 80%, how much loss? 20% loss, means image is not clear. Okay, that is what f of xy will be equal to I of xy into R of xy, 100 into 100%, 100%. Okay, that is what f of xy will be between 0 to infinity. That is, sorry, illumination will be between 0 to infinity. Maximum the light source you incident, better the quality, better the like image formation on a screen. Okay, similarly reflection will be 0 to 1. Okay, means let us say that when I say reflection, okay, how much of energy will be incident here? 100%. How much of energy is reflected here with respect to this? 80%. How much is the loss? 20% loss. 0.2% is the loss. Okay. Now, sorry, 0.8%, 0.80% is a gain, 20% is a loss. Similarly, if 100% is the illumination and 100% reflection, means you get a probability is 1, means that's why reflection component will be between 0 to 1. 0 is a poor, okay, better, good quality will be at a 1, means it has to be less than 1. Probability, you can take a probability, amount of incident, amount of reflection, amount of incident. How much of energy is incident, so same amount of energy is reflected, then you may get a probability as 1, okay. I hope this concept will be clear for you, okay, because in more onwards in a further class I am using repeatedly, I am using in the mathematical model f of xy. You should know that what is f of xy is nothing but a coordinate xy, at coordinate xy I have an intensity f, that f will be represented by value, that value. I say value now, that value also I will clear it out in the further slide, okay. Now this is what the how I given here clearly f of xy, same illumination, okay, there is a I xy, a reflection xy, I of xy will be between 0 to infinity and reflection will be between 0 to 1. I made a clear indication that amount of light, okay, if there is a, I just took an example of two light source, one is a candle, one more is the sun. Sun emits a maximum light source and your candle emits a low intensity, so the clear visibility of the object you can distinguish similarly like this, okay. Now there is a few of the like reflectance, okay, in which has been given some of the objects which appear in the environment, okay. Reflectance is for 0.01 for black velvet, 0.65 for stainless steel, 0.80 for white wall paint, 0.90 for silver plated metal, 0.93 for snow, okay, means reflection, okay, how much the reflection is occurred. I hope you can see black velvet is a 0.01, it is a quite low, okay. Similarly, okay, now when okay, now let the intensity or a gray level of a monochrome image, okay. Now I am just stressing on the 2 points, very much clear, monochrome and the gray level, okay. Monochrome is a single color, okay. Which are the single color? Black and the white, okay. Gray level, I will discuss about the gray level, okay, in further slides, okay. Now look at this one, image at any coordinate x0 or y0, any coordinate, okay, that is we are represented with L is equal to f of x0 y0. I hope the point x0 will be coordinates, x and y are a coordinate, intensity will be represented with L, okay. L is an energy source, okay. When the energy source or amplitude, there has to be some limit will be given, okay, means whatever the image, whatever the light source which is getting formed on a screen has some limit. Obviously, that limit I will give with a boundary is L min and the L max. L min, okay, you can give it anything, 10, for example 10, and L max is a 20, means my pixel or whatever the pixel on a screen, it is represented, okay, depends on the existence of image, okay, between 10 to 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 20, 10 levels, okay. I hope the clear here, means two boundaries will be represented here. The two boundaries are represented, okay. How we decide these two boundaries, okay, this will be decided by again by illumination and the reflection, right, okay. Now just I had taken with the two, okay, the two boundaries, lower boundary and the upper boundary. When I say lower boundary, okay, for your to understand, if I make it a 0 and the higher boundary if I make it as a L, okay, means L min will be 0, L max will be L, okay, means this 0, when I get a 0 means when I get the light, no light source, when there is a poor illumination, when there is a poor reflection. When there is a good quality illumination, good quality reflection, I will get a L max. So similarly, this L min will be represented by I min into R min, and your L max will be represented by I max into R max. Okay, product of the two factors. Okay, when I say L min, okay, L min is represented by I min into R min. Okay, consider this I min itself is a 0. If this itself is a 0, illumination is 0, means there is no light source, then how much R min? 0 itself. Means what you will get here? L min. What is L min? 0 into 0, you will get a 0. When you get a 0, there is no light source. When there is no light source, means there is no object appearance, you say it is a dark. Means dark or the black. You may say it is a black. Okay, now I just removed this one. Okay, L min, L max, I say it is I max into R max. It is a L into L. Do not multiply L square. Okay, L will be like a maximum value, means maximum amount of energy is incident on an object and the maximum amount of energy is reflected. Then what is the L max? L itself. You will get L. When I say L and L, will you see the dark? No. What we will see? We will see bright. Image will be bright. Means I will get a two kind of like intensities. One is a 0 intensity, no light. When is a high intensity, there is a L. Okay, that is what we have represented here. The intervals are L min and comma L max. Okay, similarly L min, I hope you can see just previously what is L min as per your knowledge? If there is no light source, 0. What is the L max? L max is a L. Okay, instead of L, I will make here L minus 1. I got two intervals. What are the intervals? 0 and L minus 1. Okay, what is the L min? 0. 0 in this is dark. What is the maximum bright? L minus 1. Okay, now I will come to this. 0 is nothing but light source is 0. Or light energy is 0, dark. Light energy is high, bright, L minus 1. Point is clear. Okay. Now similarly, if I say 0 and L minus 1, okay. Now if I come to your point, if I represent here 0, okay, and here something like if I say 4. What is the L min? 0, L max 4. In between this some values will be there, no? Okay, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you have to go with the L minus 1. How many values will be there? 0, 1, 2, 3. Because what? The range will be between 0 to 4. How many? 4 values. Okay. What is the dark? 0. What is the bright value? 3. Then what about 1? What about the 2? 1 is not the dark. Just above the dark and below the bright. It may not be the full dark. It has got some value. That is what full dark you say 0, but 1 is not the dark. Just it has added with some white, means energy is added. There is some kind of energy. Now if I go move towards a 2, it is not the something like a full dark. Now white is getting added. Okay. Now 3 is a full bright. Okay. How many levels I got here? 4 levels. Okay. We call this one as a gray levels. Okay. Or variation of the gray levels. I hope the point will be clear for you. okay, gray level. Similarly, if I represent 0, 16, okay, what is the L? L mean 0. L mean no light source, 0. What is the color? Dark. 16, light source, bright. Okay. Now what are the values you can consider here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to what? 16. Total how much? 16. Means if I say 5, is it a dark? No. It has got like some value. I don't, you can't distinguish here. 5 is a some value. Okay. Neither it is a not dark, it is not the bright, but it has one of the a value between 0 and 1. I say dark and the bright, we call it as a gray. Okay, that is the gray levels. How many gray levels are there? There are total 16 gray levels. Okay, now instead of I'll take here 15 gray levels. Okay, now there is a very interesting is that, okay, now how many I took here? 4. How many are there? 16. If I say it is represented by 2 raised to 2. How many gray levels? 2 raised to 2. How many gray levels? 2 raised to 4. Okay, means obviously we should go with like this one, 2 raised to 4. If I say 2 raised to 8, how many, what is the value? 64. 64, which is if I say 64, I have to start always from 0, no? Okay, 0, L mean, that is a dark. What is the maximum value? 64, that is L minus 1, 63. 63 is a bright. How many number of in between values? 0 to 63. What we call is the gray levels. If I say 58, 58 is a bright? No. It has got like a mixture of what? Dark and the bright. Is called a one of the gray level. Gray level. Okay. Now we call it as a gray levels. My image is now represented by 2 raised to 8. Means that the 64 combinations are available to represent my image. Okay, I hope this point will be clear for you. Okay, similarly, if I say, if I say 0, okay, let us say 0, 0 and 1, okay, 2 raised to what? 1, okay, 1, okay. Now how many number of gray levels, how many number of values appear for you? 0. And what does the L mean? 0. What is the L max? 1. I have 2 values. What is that value? 0 and 1, okay. 2 raised to 1, 2, okay. Means can you say something like I got like a 2 gray levels. If I got a 2 gray levels, I got like my image is now represented by only 2 values, that is a 0 and 1. We call it as a binary image, right? Means my image is now represented by only 2 values, that is a 0 and 1. It is called a binary image. If your image is now represented by more than 2 bits, you may got like a n number of values or levels, gray levels. We call it as a gray levels. Okay. Now I got like a 2 sentences or a 2 definitions getting formed. One is a binary image, one is a gray image or a gray level image. I hope the point will be clear. Binary image is now represented by only 2 values, 0 or 1, and gray level, it is represented by 0 to L minus 1. Okay, because this is a very basic concept, has to be understood by everyone to know about the further classes of the image processing. I hope you understood. Okay, till this point there is no doubt for you. Okay, for the next we'll continue for the coming class. Thank you.